Welcome colleagues. What is CAA Challenge Exam? CAA Challenge Exam is a fast track course for Chartered Accountants, ACCAs, CPAs and CSAs to complete the CAA course in a short frame by completing one exam instead of the regular 3-part exam. What is the syllabus? The syllabus is Foundations of Internal Auditing, Practice of Internal Auditing and Business Acumen and Business Knowledge, which is a 3-part exam syllabus, which has certain reductions for you because you have completed your existing certification. So what is the exam pattern? Exam pattern is 150 MCQs within 3 hours. So you have only 1.2 minutes per question. Passing criteria. You need to score 80% to pass the exam. And what is the passing rate? Across the globe, 40 to 50% of people only is able to pass the exam. So what is the challenge here? The challenge is that 80% you need to pass on a 3-book exam. Or 3-part exam syllabus is completely covered here. And also you need to practice more MCQs. The recommendation is that 3000 plus MCQs has to be solved to ensure that you pass the exam. So what is the recommendation? IAA India recommends strongly to go through a review class and ensure that you have a consistent study pattern and mock exam to complete the exam in first shot. When the deadline to register for the exam closes on 30th April and you can write the exam in June or August. All the best.